Hello and welcome to the channel. So today I have these Lobster screw and hybrid water pump pliers made by Lobtex, made in Japan. Got these off Amazon Japan. They were about £10.36 I think they were. I got them along with other tools, otherwise the postage is just too high. And these are quite unusual. They've got a really unusual shaped jaw, can hold lots of different things in loads of different positions. Model of this one is UU4150NA, and it can hold up to a 41mm nut, and it can hold up to a 50mm pipe or bar or other object. 280 grams, it's not particularly heavy. Pictures there just showing it can grab screws at the end. It has a piece cut out in the end there, I'll show you that in a second. Holding onto a pipe, holding onto a nut, holding onto a small piece of metal. These don't really say much other than great for removing rusty screws and all that kind of thing. Same on the back, it just says much the same as it does on the front. It does say that it's got a stopper on the handle to protect your fingers so your fingers don't get squashed. It's 225mm long, 280 grams, and like I said, widest jaw is 50mm. That's all safety information there, and then the same pictures and just a diagram. So let's have a look. I do love the packaging of these. I think it's just so, I don't know if is it retro? I suppose it is kind of retro, but it's always nice and bright, colourful, just really nice packaging. The tools themselves, again, really well made, as most things are from Japan. Dipped handles, quite an unusual shape. The sort of, I don't know if you can see that on camera, sort of triangular shape, but the coating's really nice. It's not sticky, it's quite rough, but it's quite soft as well. There's the stopper there. That's what stops your fingers from being squashed. It won't go too far. It should work on every setting. Yeah, it works on every setting. So if you've got your finger in there, you don't get it squashed. Very nice. I don't know what BKL means on there. Got Lobster branding, and it's got this black finish. So the jaws can hold quite a few different things. You can hold a piece of metal, say like that, a rod, or even a screw, probably, because the ends there are shaped, as you can see. It's like cut out, and there's little teeth inside there as well, so it does grip it and it does hold it very tight. You could probably actually, yeah, you could hold the end of a bolt if you had to, for whatever reason. You can hold a nut in the flat part. You can hold a nut in this part. You can hold something round in there, like it says on the packet. And then for the bigger nuts, you can hold them in there. Now what you'll see is it has a cutout there, which means it doesn't grab the corners of the nut. So the corner of the nut goes in there, and as you can see, it's quite hard on right. So it's touching the flat edge there, the flat edge there, and the flat edge there. It doesn't touch any of the corners, so it's not going to round off the nut. Now that's one way to hold it. This is a 17mm. You can also hold it in this part here, doing much the same. So it holds it on the flat there, and then the flat on there. So it holds it in quite a few different positions. So if you're in an awkward spot, or you just need to get it in a particular place, then you've got lots of different options. If you open it up a little bit, you can obviously just hold it with the flat section there. But I think these are a really useful pair of pliers. Very nicely made, loads of different adjustments there. The teeth all seem to be really nicely cut in. As you can see, they're all nice and even. Very well made. There's teeth all over it. Lots of grip. So yeah, I think probably for water pump pliers, yeah, excellent, but they do a hell of a lot more because of the shape of this jaw. and this section here where you can grab hold of screws and little rods, anything sort of like that kind of shape. Anyway, there you have it, the Lobster UUNA 4150. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.